Welcome everybody back to my studio. My name is Carol Bell and you're all my beautiful friends, and here today I am going to talk about the wonderful fabric that Modes4u sent for me to review. The fabric that they carry, which by the way they carry a ton of different prints, beautiful prints, different motifs and things from different companies, including some American companies and some Japanese companies, textile companies. So what I wanted to go over is the fabric that I got. So I ended up creating this dress from this beautiful Oxford. And an Oxford is the only difference between an even weave, which is what I have here, and actually also what I'm wearing. This is a quilting fabric, so very easy to work with, really easy to iron and everything. And the Oxford is actually more of a basket weave, so it's really no different. It's about the same weight. This might be a tad heavier, but obviously you can see it makes a perfectly suitable jump skirt for the purposes of a tutorial that I'm still working on. So here we go. This is an Alicorn print. Oh, also, I did make a matching head bow. That is another thing you can do. This beautiful thing. Ta-da! So really what I did here is I just used a basic shape using the Otomino Sewing Book 1, actually. And so this variation of the jump skirt can be found there. I did change the skirt a little bit. So instead of a scooping skirt that shows off a bustle, I just created a rectangle skirt and a corset lacing in the back. It is fully lined and embellished somewhat. I think I am going to be adding something of a pink sash perhaps. It's going to be really comfortable to wear, really easy to iron, really easy to clean. And just really easy to work with. And it's the same for this fabric here that I have. This is from a different company. So this company is Koka. So this is a Japanese textile company that created this fabric. And I love Japanese textile companies. They have some of the best prints that you could possibly find to make Lolita fashion out of. This one I chose because I thought it was a cute motif, and this is from Dear Stella Design. And so Modes4u does offer this fabric as well as this one. I do have to say, I think that they are out of this particular cream colorway, but you can still get the Alicorn print Oxford fabric in periwinkle. So it is still there if you wanted to make your own. It'll just be a blue color. So this one is more of an even weave quilting cotton, same as what I'm wearing, and it's so comfortable to wear a dress like this. I did want to go over too that I happen to be able to make this dress in less than 2 meters. So I used less than 2 meters to create the entire jump skirt, not including the lining that I added from my own stash, but I used 2 meters to make the dress as well as the head bow here, and I think I might be able to create yet another thing out of the little bit that I have left. So this is my remnant. I actually have quite a bit left to be able to make some kind of bag accessory. Pretty sure I can squeeze it out of this. So 2 meters will get you really far to create an entire coordinate. It's a really high quality fabric. Again, it's Koka. So Koka, Lycian, and various other companies that offer this Oxford style weave in their fabric is usually a really good call. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Modes4u, Modes4u did send me these fabrics for free so that I could review them, and they are specifically a kawaii shop. So if you like things like Hello Kitty, anything Sanrio, if you like bento boxes, DIY kits, they have crafting supplies, UV resin, so if you want to make your own jewelry, they have molds for that, they have stationery, and thousands of different prints of fabric, including these cute little pudgy dragons with castles and the beautiful Alicorn fabric here. They have squishies, they have plushies, all sorts of little toys. They have miniatures. They have so many fun things. They have all the little accessories for bento boxes too. If you wanted to do something with deco bento, you could do that because they have all the little things for that too. I can't speak highly enough about Modes4u because I absolutely love pretty much everything in their store. Do you like printed tape? Because they have tape. They have washi tape, the decorative tape. Did I mention they have fabric? They have so much beautiful fabric. So go over to Modes4u if you want to find yourself this little pudgy dragon print or the Alicorn print, among many, many others if you want to create your own Lolita style or even a little accessory like this. So hopefully soon on stream I'll be able to create this little zippered bag out of the last remnant I have of the Alicorn fabric. So that's it for me. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we will see you in the next tutorial, which will be coming soon. Have a great day and stay creative. Bye.